If we look at something like this guy, this is more of an application type of problem, but we have a 16-foot by 25-foot pool, and it has a 3-foot walkway around it, and we want to know how many feet of fencing would be required for a fence around this pool. And so the idea here is we want to put the fence around the pool, but I mean really around the walkway. So we want the fence to go around the outside of all of this. And for legal reasons, if you have a pool, you have to have a fence for most townships and things like that to ensure safety and make sure nobody falls in, okay? And so for something like this, we have to look at this and say, okay, well, I know the dimensions of the pool. I know it's 25 inches or 25 feet for the length of the pool this way, and I know it's 16 feet for the width of the pool going up and down, okay? But now it also tells me that the walkway is 3 feet wide. In other words, the distance right here, this width is 3 feet right here. But the same is true over on the other side. That's also 3 feet, okay? And up here, that's also 3 feet. And down here, that's also 3 feet. And so really, what I'm really interested in is this rectangle on the outside. Let me highlight it in purple. I've already highlighted it in red once. But this is the perimeter that I want, is the rectangle on the outside. So really, I need the dimensions of this rectangle. And again, it comes down to segment addition. When you look at here, if I kind of line up with the pool, right here, the pool itself is 25 feet, right? But then if I look at these end pieces right here, that's the walkway, that's another 3 feet. And if I look at the other end, right here, that's the walkway, that's another 3 feet. And so when I look at this outside edge, it's made up of the 25-foot piece and then 2 of those 3-foot pieces. So segment addition, well, this whole thing is actually 31 feet, okay? And then I got to do the same thing right here with the width of this thing. Okay. Again, if I kind of break this into pieces, I would say, hey, this middle piece is 16 feet, but then I have a little 3-foot piece on each end. That was terribly drawn in terms of where I put that. It was a little off. Okay. And so really, it's a total now for this side of 22 feet. Okay. And so as I look at this thing, if I kind of erase all of this extra stuff that's all over the place, the dimensions that I really need now, well, just the overall dimensions. The overall length of this thing is 31 feet, and the overall width, including like the concrete pathway, is 22 feet. And so if I said, hey, what's the perimeter? Well, obviously this thing is a rectangle, so the opposite sides are the same. So this one's 31 feet, and this guy over here is 22 feet. And so the perimeter is just those 3 things added together. So for this one, the perimeter this time is going to be 106 feet.